Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to keep track of every interaction with your customers. In this video, I'll show you how to track all customer activity and communication within EngageBay's free plan. First, go to your CRM and open any contacts profile. This is your command center for that person. Scroll down to the timeline section. This is where every single interaction is logged automatically. You'll see emails sent, calls logged, meetings scheduled, and notes added, all in chronological order. To log a new activity manually, click the Log Activity button. You can choose to log a call, a meeting, or a simple note. Add details about what was discussed and set a follow-up date if needed. Every email you send through EngageBay is automatically tracked and attached to the contact's timeline. If you use the built-in email composer, you'll see when they open your email and click any links. You can also track website visits if you've installed EngageBay's tracking script on your site. This complete history gives you full context before any call or meeting, making every interaction more personal and effective. And that's it. With the activity timeline, you have a 360-degree view of every customer relationship, all for free. If you use the timeline to prep for customer calls, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.